Miss Naveen's class collected bee blankets for the animal shelter. Then they collected an additional 30% of that amount. Select all the expressions that give the total number of blankets Ms. Naveen's class collected. Choose two answers. All right, pause the video like always and see if you can pick those two answers. Okay, so I'm not going to even look at the choices. I'm just going to try to reason it through. That's one way to approach it. So in the class, they collected bee blankets. Then they collected an additional 30% of that amount. So then they collected an additional 30% of B. So this is one way to write it. Maybe you could also write it this way, B plus 0.30B. This is just another way of writing 30%. Or another way to write it is you could factor out a B, because this is the same thing as 1B plus 0.30B. So you could say this is the same thing as 1 plus 0.30B, which is the same thing as 1.3b. Now let me look at the choices and see which of these are consistent with everything I just wrote here. So b plus 30b. If this was 30%, maybe, but not 30. That's going to be a huge number. This is not one of the choices. b plus 0.3b. Well, that's what I had originally written right over here. You have b plus 30 plus an additional 30% of that amount. So I definitely like this one. 0.3b. Now that would just be 30% of the original amount. That's not the total amount that we now have now. So we'll rule that one out. And this last one is exactly what we got when we essentially rewrote this one, when we added 1b plus 0.3b. So we got 1.3b. So I like those two choices.